The idea is to teach the fundamentals of robotics from very scratch. Students will be learning microcontroller programming.
Today's activity was very interesting actually. We built a robot. It was a soccer robot.
Today we did a robotics type of project where we created a soccer robot
That helps us to understand motor learning. It helps us to get into the field of robotics in general, and it also helps us to have a first-hand experience of robotics. My favorite moment was actually failing, and even more failure, until finally I succeeded.